we are studied about expansion of the solids. Some of the solids are contrast and one solid can expand and not contrast. Once again I am repeating that all metals are expands. All solids means all metals are expands except of one metal, that is cast iron. Cast iron is not expands, it is contrast when the temperature is increases. Not only in cast iron, rubber, plastic and polythene except also contrast when the temperature is increased. Next, inversely, it neither expands nor contrast when the temperature increases. That's why we use the inversely as a tape and also a pendulum. Next, bimetallic string. These are the topics covered in the last classes. Today, expansion of liquids. Liquids are expands. Liquids are expands by increasing its temperature. Liquids are expands by increasing the temperature. Liquids are expands. Liquids are expands by increasing. Liquids are expands by increasing the temperature. Liquids are expands by increasing the temperature. So its value is increased. Okay, temperature increases. Liquids are expands. You know that liquids have no shape, no surface. It selects the shape of a container. If you take the liquid in which container or which bowl, it selects that shape. So that has a value, because when the temperature is increases, liquids are expands, its value which is increases, value is increases. Okay. Expansion of liquids are two types. How many types? Two types. That are, number one, coefficient of real expansion. Coefficient of real expansion. Okay, expansion is upward value. That's why symbol is gamma. Value increases. So the coefficient of real expansion, gamma or real. Second one is coefficient of expansion, gamma A. Operant. Operant means it is appears to us. One is real, another one is appears. That's why the liquid expansion is how many types? Two types. One is coefficient of real expansion, gamma. Another one is coefficient of apparent expansion, gamma A. What is the principle for gamma? Value is there. That's why V2 minus V1 by V1 into V2 minus T1. Gamma is also same. V2 minus V1 by V1 into V2 minus T1. Principle is same. But in these two, which is greater? Gamma R greater than gamma A. This expansion is more than this. Now we have one relation. Now we want to see that relation. Let us take this is one container. In the container we take the liquid up to A. Up to A. They will give the heat energy. When we are given the heat energy, we are giving heat energy. So what happens? First container expands. Container made by the glass to appears, to take a glass. First container is expanded. So the liquid level is expands. If it is expands, the liquid is moves from A to B. That's why AB is called expansion of glass or expansion of container. After that, this liquid is releasing the heat energy. Now it starts to expand. It expands from B to C. Expands from B to C. But it is appears for us from A to C. It is appears from A to C. That's right. AC is apparent expansion of liquid. But actual expansion from A to where? B to C. B2 is a real, but it appears from A to C. Why? We take the liquid first at point up to point A. So we feel that it expands from A to C. But A to C is a apparent expansion, but really is B to C. That's what B to C is called. BC is called real expansion of liquid. Now let us see the figure. From the figure what we can write BC is equal to AC plus A. What is BC? Real expansion. That's why gamma R. What is AC? Apparent expansion gamma A. And what is AB? Expansion of gas. So this is the relation between coefficient of real expansion and apparent expansion. The apparent expansion of the liquid is added by expansion of the gas. So this is the relation between gamma R, gamma A and gamma G. Gamma means expansion of the solid. Is coefficient of variable expansion. Coefficient of variable expansion is how many times the coefficient of linear expansion? 3 times. That's 3 alpha. And coefficient of variable expansion is how many times greater than the coefficient of field expansion or real expansion? 3 by 2. Okay. These are the equations. There is a chance to get the problems, especially in entrance point of view. This is very, very important. Now, okay, when the temperature is increases, volume of the liquids is increases. If the volume is increases, what will happen? If the volume is increases, the density is decreases. If the volume is increases, the density what happen? Decreases. That's why liquids density is decreases by increasing the temperature. Liquid's density is decreases by increasing the temperature. Now how we can write the mathematical expression for it? It is gamma is equal to d1 minus d2 by d2 into d2 minus 2. This is the principle for apparent expansion, real expansion of the liquid in terms of density. It is in terms of volume. Okay. These two. This is also important while doing the problems. It means as the temperature increases, the volume of the liquid increases, but density what happens? Decreases. Study about expansion of the liquids. Is there any liquid is contrast? Answer is yes. That liquid is water. Water not only expand, it is also contract. Now that we will discuss as one topic. This is the topic, anomalous expansion of water. This is important in this chapter for examination point of view. Under 2 marks and 4 marks. Now let us first see the 4 marks. By increasing the temperature of water from 0 degree centigrade to 4 degree centigrade. By increasing the temperature of water from 0 degree centigrade to 4 degree centigrade, water is contract instead of expansion. Instead of expansion, what happened is contrast. This behavior of water is called anomalous expansion or anomalous expansion of water. Now we plot a graph between volume of the water versus temperature. Let us take this is a 0 degree centigrade. You take some 1 liter of the water. When temperature increases, value decreases up to 4 degrees. After 4 degrees, when the temperature increases, value decreases. Means at 4 degrees centigrade, the value what happened? Minimum. Value is minimum at 4 degrees centigrade. Value is minimum. Now let us take density. In the last class we have studied when the value is increases, density is decreases. If the value is decreases, density is increases. That's why we can plot a graph. Density versus temperature. Let us take 0 degrees centigrade some density. When temperature increases, density increases and becomes maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. Then after temperature increases, density what happened? Decreases. So at 4 degrees centigrade water value is minimum, but density what happened? Maximum. Means at 4 degrees centigrade, the volume of the water is minimum, density is maximum. But is there any use of anomalous expansion of water? Yes. Number of are there. Just I am explaining the two reasons, two applications. Now what are the two applications? Due to this means due to anomalous expansion of water. In winter season, rocks are break in the hill stations. Now let us see just like a Tirupati. Otherwise, Amarnath Yatra we can listen. Especially in winter season, the rocks are break. Why it is inside the rock, water is present. That water is expands when the temperature is reduces. Means the temperature is less than 4 degrees centigrade. Less than 4 degrees centigrade value increases, so the rock will break. And due to this, aquatic animals, just like a fish or a prawns, otherwise the crocodiles, the small type of the aquatic animals that can survive in the river or ponds or lakes, even that are frozen in winter. But how that can survive means how the aquatic animals can survive, that is important for 4 marks. Okay, this is one of the topic important for 2 marks. And record that in your notes. But you must be listen that at 4 degrees centigrade, the volume of the water is minimum, but density is what happened? Maximum. Okay, this is the one of the topic and important for this topic is important for 4 marks for examination point of view. Advantages to aquatic animals due to anomalous behavior or anomalous expansion of water. Let us see, this is one lake. In the lake, water is there. Especially this is occur in cold countries. In cold countries, the atmospheric temperature is as usually less, but in winter season it is decreases. Next. Okay. In cold countries, as atmospheric temperature is decreases, so the temperature is 10 degrees centigrade. Okay, as usual, the total water temperature is 10. Now the atmospheric temperature is reduces from 10 to 5, then after 4. When the temperature is decreases, the volume also decreases. The volume also decreases. Now the temperature is less than 4 degrees centigrade. The temperature is less than 4 degrees degrees centigrade, okay, the total water is 4 degrees centigrade. Up to that the water is circulated like that, means the upper water comes to the lower layers of the stock. This is running when the temperature is decreases. Now the temperature is 4 degrees centigrade, okay. Then after it becomes 3 degrees centigrade. 3 degrees centigrade, what happens? It is starts to expand. That's why 4 degrees centigrade, the temperature is now 3 degrees. The value is increases. Then after temperature is 2 degrees, again value increases. Temperature is 1 degree, again value is increases. Temperature is 0 degrees centigrade, again the value is increases till the surface of the water is frozen or become as ice. This is happening, means on the surface ice will form, but at the bottom here from bottom it is ice. Then after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here aquatic animals can survive. Okay, this is happening. That's why this is the formation of ice at the top in the water below. Anomalous expansion of water moves the upper layers to bottom and lower layers moves to top. Now let us see. In cold countries at atmospheric temperature decreases, the upper layers of the lakes or rivers etc. cool and contrast and sink in the bottom as shown in the figure. Okay, this is the explanation. This goes until the whole water reaches the temperature of 4 degrees centigrade. After means after 4 degrees. After that, by increasing temperature, water is expands, moves up till the surface is frozen. Means ice. Okay, this is the important question for 4 marks. Anomalous expansion of water or anomalous behavior of water. This is very important for 4 marks. Is it clear? Once again listen that in cold countries, as usually atmospheric temperature is less. If the temperature is decreases, the upper layers of the lakes or rivers etc. cool and contract. Why temperature decreases? Volume is decreases. Volume decreases means contrast. So that is sink, moves to the bottom. That is sink and moves to the bottom as shown in the figure. See in the first figure. In the first figure we can take one square shape, means that is circulated like this. Okay, the volume is decreases, so the water layers moves to the bottom up to the whole water temperature is 4 degrees centigrade. Okay, this is happened, the circulation is happened up to the total water is 4 degrees centigrade. After that, the temperature is decreases, after by, not increasing, after by decreasing, here. Decreasing the temperature of water, it starts to expand, move until the water becomes frozen or the surface of the water becomes frozen. Means after 4 degrees centigrade, if the temperature decreases or not increases, decreases, the water is expands, moves up until the surface is frozen. So in the bottom, as usually water is there, in that water aquatic animals can survive. Okay. This video you listen twicely or thricely as you wish, and compulsory in the examination you draw the diagrams.